These are the power steering. Okay, let me move some stuff out of the way here. This all looks in for testing purposes. Move some of this stuff out of the way. Some of the bolts down here already. Get her to fit down in there. Move some of this stuff out of the way. I don't know if you can see this or not, but right here and right here, these clips were missing. I pulled them off of the 89. I'm going to put them on here. Okay, I got these two clips on here. There and there. And I'm going to hook this line up. See if everything lines up. You can see right here, I've all loosened up, I think. It should come out. This was the bypass valve that the previous owner had put in for the power steering. Taking that out, putting the original equipment back in. Okay, you can see that I've got both the lines in, one for the cooler. Isn't tightened yet. Still need to put these connectors on down here. But seems like it's going together. There's also a clip right here that I'd take off the old cooler and put on this one. Keeps it from flopping around. Okay, I got the lines connected to the power steering, or to the steering assembly. I got the return line hooked up. As you can see, I have everything connected up here. I'll show you. Let's see, right here and right here. So everything is connected. Now I got to work on installing the transmission cooler lines.